Hello guys, welcome back to some order flow automated trading using the FlowPro Bot. We are going to activate shorts because we're in a strong downtrend and I don't really want to take longs today. We might do, but as of now I just want to take shorts.
Order placed.
And there we go, we get our first trade. So I just want to show you guys how I trade, and I like to enter in on the pullbacks in a dominant trend like such. Now we're using a couple of indicators to help me with my analysis. This is the Bollinger Bands, we've got our trap traders indicator, support and resistance, and cumulative volume delta, CVD. And these indicators just help me analyze where the market's going and where there's bullish delta, if there's bullish pressure in the market, bearish pressure in the market, and what key levels we might see a reaction at. So that's why I have these activated. Now this is how I like to trade, guys. I'm going to go through these trades with you and try to explain my thought process. So right now, as you can see, we pulled back a little bit to the upside. Now in a downtrend, a pullback is to the upside, of course. So ideally we want to see price go up, and then that's when we want to activate our shorts to basically enter in on the continuation of the downtrend. And as you can see, we are moving nicely in this trade.
Order cancelled.
And we hit our take profit level. Perfect start. So the market is quite volatile at the minute. The volume is quite high. So I have adapted my take profit stop loss levels. There we go, we get another trade. Beautiful. So I've increased my take profit level because the market is so volatile that you need to increase your levels to adapt to the volatility of the market. But here we go, we get another short, we get sell signal in our downtrend. That's what we want to see. Ideally we want to avoid going short at the very extreme ranges and at the extreme low range of the price. So as you can see, price is now hitting that lower Bollinger Band, which means price is becoming a bit oversold. And when it becomes oversold, this is when you see reversals in the market. This is when you see pullbacks.
Order cancelled.
And we hit our take profit. Beautiful stuff, another win. Now I'm going to deactivate the bot right here because, as I said, we are in that extreme range where price is a bit oversold. So if we get filled short at this level, it's a bit ill-advised. But I'm gonna turn it back on shorts here because the delta is so bearish and price is really dumping today. And this is not looking exactly bullish, so I don't expect a pullback here just yet. But yeah, guys, when you get to these ranges at the extreme oversold or extreme overbought level, especially on low time frames, price is always going to pull back. And you can essentially go short or go long at those levels, but you're really risking getting stopped out, right? So I'm going to deactivate the bot again here because we are approaching that extreme range again. You know what, I'm going to turn on shorts just to see if there's a trade in here. It's not quite below the Bollinger Band. I'm going to let it run here, and ideally how I like to trade is I wait for the pullbacks. So right now what we want to see is the price go back up a little bit and then we re-enter shorts, and that's when I feel most confident in my trades, really. When there's a strong downtrend or uptrend, you trade with the trend and you enter on the pullbacks. So we're going to deactivate the bot here because we are at that extreme range. Price is now entering below the Bollinger Band, and there we get a trapped trader signal, like a bullish signal. So I don't want to go short just yet. We're going to let this pull back a little bit and then we're going to activate shorts. So ideally you want to see price kind of hit the midline of the Bollinger Bands or the upper Bollinger Band in a strong downtrend. This is really where people are re-entering the market to enter trades into the dominant trend, right? So we are pulling back right now. So this looks quite good. Good for us. Another bullish signal, the trap trader signal. As you can see, the trap trader signals are quite good. They're pretty accurate in my opinion. Free indicator on our website, by the way, so you can get access to that, guys, if you're interested. So yeah, we're gonna activate shorts here. I feel like this is a good time to activate shorts. We've pulled back a little bit, and basically the midline of those two Bollinger Bands is always a good entry point. If there's no selling pressure at that level, then it's not going to enter, of course. So once the bot detects selling pressure, that's when it's going to enter for us. So this is the pullback we're looking for, and ideally we want a short signal around here because we are trading with the trend. We're already up 1100 USDT, guys. So the wins are much greater than what we're used to. If you've watched my other videos, it's because the take profit levels are much greater in a high volume market like this. So now we're approaching that upper Bollinger Band, and this is an area where a lot of traders are jumping in, especially in a downtrend like this. This is a key level where, you know, a lot of traders are aggressively selling.
Order placed.
And we do get filled into a trade. Good stuff. So this is a perfect entry for me, guys. I'm really confident in this one. The price has pulled back in a really strong downtrend to the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, and now the bot has detected selling pressure at this level. So we'll see. We are currently winning this trade. We want to hit this take profit level quickly. Now that take profit level is just at these lows. It's at a trap trader level, which is good. These are levels where price can react to the upside, so it's a perfect take profit level. And ideally we want to break those levels, right? We want to keep going lower.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we do here take profit. Another win, 3 wins in a row, guys. Up to 1600 USDT. This is perfect. So we might take 1 or 2 more trades because this is already great profit. I don't want to over trade. So if we get 1 more win, I might just call it a day. And now that the price has broken those lows, it's going lower. As you can see, when the price breaks out like this, there's always a huge reaction. A lot of selling comes in, and we could have started take profit a little lower, but you know, right now I just want to play it safe, get my wins and get out. So very bearish market today, guys. A lot of selling. When you see a really strong vertical downtrend, I wouldn't take longs. You know, it's up to you guys. I'm a really big fan of trading with a strong downtrend or a strong uptrend. That's when your confidence is the highest, and that's when the probability of winning is the highest. You want to know the places where it's best to enter those longs and shorts. So pullbacks, in my opinion, is the greatest place for that. Okay, again we've pulled back, we've got our shorts activated, so this is the pullback we want to see, and we want to continue into the downtrend. And again, we've got shorts activated, so we want to sell into the market. We've got 3 wins, got beautiful price action, a lot of good signals from the trap traders. So we go again, and price doesn't always hit that upper band.
Order placed.
There we go, we get a trade. Okay, we get filled into another short, so another sell signal. A little bit bullish still. Delta is positive, but here we go, we're in the green now. Again, guys, the price pulled back, and that's what we waited for. We activated the shorts, and now we got selling pressure detected by the trading bot. So what we want to see now is a lot of selling coming in to continue the trend, and yeah, hopefully another win. This is going to be our last trade if it does win.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we do win. Great stuff. Really good trade. Like, another great trading session. You know, 2200 USDT profit, and all done by trading with the trend, guys. You know, just re-entering the market in the right places. I'm letting the bot do the work. It's detecting where the major selling or major buying is, and this is just one way I like to trade the market. Identify the strong trend and then enter the trades in on the pullbacks. You know, it's such a good method of trading, in my opinion, and from my experience, it's one of the highest win rate strategies you can use. And if you guys want access to this bot and to these tools, we have free indicators on the website, and the FlowPro Bot is featured on our website. So if you want access to those, guys, please use the link in the description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.